and show you guys because flipping a house. What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Derek, aka Flipping a House, and we're actually headed to a closing right now on a flip that we are selling, and then we're gonna go check up and get an update on the fire damage property, and then I'm gonna take you guys to a new flip where I found out yesterday that we had some incidentals happen, and I gotta go look at the damage, see what we're gonna do to fix it, and go from there. So it's gonna be a good one, a lot of lessons in this one as always. Stay tuned. All right guys, and just like that, we closed on the flip. We'll make about $32,000. That's net profit. Gross was about 49. We had a little bit of money in this deal, but now we're gonna go check on the fire damage flip. It's about an hour away, so let's go. All right guys, second stop of the day. We're here at Brushfield. This is our Sugarland flip. This is the fire damage property. I haven't been here in about 2 weeks, but I know we have a new roof, but let's go see what other type of progress we've made since I've been gone. So we got a new tile going in for the shower, same for the bathtub. We got these walls ripped out because, as you can see, we're gonna have to replace just a few more pieces of wood. There's just a little bit of mold, and then we're gonna do sheetrock all the way. But let's go take a look upstairs. So if you guys remember last time, all of this was burnt, right? Like all of this. And I know there's some black stuff, but that's really just soot from where they were rebuilding everything. But it actually looks like a house up here. Now, obviously we still have a lot of drywall repair and walls to go up, but it's just crazy to see the progress in just 2.5 weeks. And we were never sure what actually caused the fire, but we were almost certain it was the furnace, which sat right here, and that was where most of the damage was. But the AC guys actually coming today to start that process, so then we can get insulation and everything up there and just get things back on track. And then really it'll just be like 2 or 3 more weeks after that. I'd say we have about 4 weeks total, but yeah, we're still making progress. So this dump, it's about halfway full. This is the 3rd dump that I've already been on. And I know you're like, why does that matter? It's because these bad boys cost about $650 every time we have to replace one. So that's like another cost that most people don't think about when flipping, because you could hire a trash out crew, but when you have such a big job, I mean, this house is 2,800 square feet. There's no way, like I would spend way more, like I would spend a lot more money trying to pay a trash out guy compared to just dropping dumps. But yeah, 3rd one, and I'm probably gonna have at least 1 more. So think about that one flipping. But let's go check out the A-Leaf flip, the new one. I gotta go figure out this problem, how we're gonna solve it, and show you guys because flipping a house. My bad guys, somebody stopped me while I was filming. So anyways, let's go check out the other flip. Like I said, there's been a problem over there. The house is kind of disintegrating. You'll see what I mean. It's gonna cost a lot of money as always, but let's go check it out. All right guys, 3rd stop of the day. We're here in A-Leaf. It's so funny and crazy how life comes full circle, because Ben and I's first flip was walking distance from here. Like the first flip that we ever did, it was a small townhouse. I think we only made like 7 grand on it, but it was a great entry to where we are today, whereas like I don't even know how many flips we have going on. It's like insane. I think we're around like 10 to 12. It's just nuts, and those are all in different states. But anyways, let's go talk about what went wrong. So we had the foundation done on this property a couple of days ago, and my contractor FaceTimed me that the front of the house was basically falling off and falling apart. So let me go show you guys, and then I'll talk a little bit about the deal, how we got it, and all that good stuff as well. So the first thing you probably notice is that the front of this house looks like a castle, and that's because I don't know who the builder was in the 80s, But they built all these homes. If you guys can see, I already had the roof done, but there's a big wall right here. And now it looks cool, looks like a castle, whatever, but it's caused a lot of problems. So as you guys can see, even with the roof, it cost me a couple thousand more because all the water that was running off, it was just sitting there. So my roofer put like a pitch in the middle so the water will actually drain off the house. And then it caused mold because the water was like leaking into one of the rooms inside. So I'll show you guys that as well. But let's look at the front here, because when we lifted this house, because of the weight of this wall, and it's old, it's brittle, the front of this house is almost falling down. So look at this shit. So when he called me, they were scared to even move the house. It was raining, and you guys can see there's a huge hole. A lot of this brick is falling. So now we have to get somebody that does masonry. Basically, they'll come in, fix all of this, and then we're gonna get the wall tied back into the studs in here. We're doing a lot of demo, as you guys can see. And pretty closed off kitchen. We are definitely going to be making some changes in here. The lighting is terrible, but I'm gonna show you guys. In the kitchen, what we're gonna do here is we're actually gonna get rid of these built-ins. These built-ins, if you're ever doing flips, they're so expensive to find the exact size. So we're actually gonna move the refrigerator over, and we're gonna put a stove with an oven vent right here. We're gonna open this up, get rid of this cabinet, get rid of this countertop. This will all be granite. And I know these cabinets look pretty bad, but you would be surprised, like these old cabinets, the wood and the materials that they use, it's so solid. So we're just gonna clean them up. We're gonna sand them down and just give them a nice modern look with the granite. We have wood paneling all around here, so we're getting rid of that shit. Same thing, we're gonna sand these down, paint this. And I think they're in here ripping out the bathrooms. So big demo day. I think we're already through with one dumpster, as I just talked to you guys about. All right, and then this, like I told you guys, so the wall in the front, it was holding a lot of water. So as you guys can see, it caused mold. We're ripping out all this old wood, right? Because this is gonna be somebody's home. Like, I don't wanna give them a damaged, shitty project. So obviously we're gonna rip all this out, replace it, get some fresh wood in there, new drywall. Let's see how we're looking at the bathrooms. Oh, nice. So we had an old school tub and everything, so we'll get a new tub in here, new tile surround, same tile as you guys saw at the fire damage house. Cabinets are in good condition. We'll just repaint those. We have another bedroom. This one, the master, and this is where a majority of the money is going to be spent, here in the kitchen, right? So we have toilet, and we had a corner stand-up shower. As you guys can see, it's just real old, crappy. So we're gonna clean all this out. We'll get new cement board. I can't think of the name of it. Red guard. We'll get that in with a new tile surround, beautiful glass door, granite in here. And granite right here as well. This will be the master. This is a 4-bed, 2-bath house that we picked up. This was actually an SEO lead, so search engine optimization. And I think we locked this one up for $135,000. It's worth about $235,000, but we're gonna have about a 50 to 60 grand rehab, holding costs, dumpsters. I mean, it's gonna add up, but it's still a really good deal. So like I said, we've had the foundation done. My bad, we're getting rid of some trees back here. You guys have never seen them stump grown. All right, guys, so like I was saying, this flip was a SEO lead, search engine optimization. They found us. It was a probate deal where the father passed away, the son and his wife, they lived in California. And it's crazy because they had an Airstream trailer. It was like sitting right here. I tried to buy it too, but he wanted to finish that project because it was like something for him and his dad. But yeah, we picked up this deal for $135,000. The home is worth about $240,000. Initially when we bought it, I thought our rehab was going to be closer to 40,000, but due to the wall, the extra money on the roof, the foundation, we're actually going to be all in around like 55,000, maybe a little bit more. So not an amazing deal, right? But it keeps things going. And we have another flip that Ben actually closed on today that is 10 minutes from here. So just trying to group them together, keep things pushing along, and I'll give you guys progress, and I'll do a full before and after video once this is complete as well. And yeah, it's just, we have a lot of flips going, guys. We're about to start like 3 more. Like I said, Ben closed on 2 today, and things are just picking up. We have the new development, which I keep teasing to you guys, but I promise I'm gonna let you know eventually. But yeah, now I gotta go have lunch with a realtor. She wants to get into investing, and it's important to constantly build these relationships. And yeah, as you guys can see though, let me show you really quick what this dump looks like. It's only been here for about 3 days. And we're gonna need a new one. But you know, that's investing, money spent. As long as more money's coming in than that's going out, you know, that's the goal. But like I said, I'm about to go to lunch, try to build this relationship. I know this video is kind of all over the place, but I wanted to give you guys another vlog and just get back in the rhythm. Like I said, the next video will probably be about my mastermind, what I learned hanging out with 7- and 8-figure entrepreneurs. But if you guys enjoyed the video, smash the thumbs up, like, subscribe, and make sure you're following me on Instagram and TikTok. Until next time, peace.